Hello everyone, I'm meteorologist Violet Skyber. Let's explain why wildfires occur and what you should do when one happens. First, starting with the weather conditions needed for a wildfire. Dry vegetation, low humidity, and some strong gusty winds to help that fire spread. But first, let's think about an actual fire. What's needed for one to start? First, we need a heat source, which in the case of wildfires, the most common heat source is lightning. And due to climate change, that's the biggest trigger for more extreme lightning storms. But we can also get a heat source from human induced activities, which include campfires or even cigarette butts. Now, we also need fuel, which in the case of wildfires, fuel is dry greenery, including brush, prairie grass, trees, are excellent fuel for fires. And we also need oxygen, which comes in the form of wind. The more wind there is, the more oxygen is feeding into that wildfire, keeping it going. So when this wildfire starts, it can be very, very small, but when that wind picks it up and causes this wildfire to travel, it can travel up to 14 miles per hour. That's about a 4-minute mile pace of a human. So it's almost impossible for humans to outrun these wildfires because of how fast they travel, which is also the other reason why they issue evacuations. And you definitely want to listen to local officials when they do this. Prepare to evacuate. Listen to emergency channels and know the status of the fire. Put emergency supplies and must-have items in your car so you can evacuate very quickly if you live in a wildfire-prone area. Hopefully this clarifies anything about wildfires and keeps you safe from them.